Former U.S. President Donald Trump has said he would accept home confinement, or jail time after his historic conviction, by a New York jury last week, but that it would be tough for the public to accept and they would reach a breaking point. "I'm not sure the public would stand for it," the Republican presidential candidate told Fox News in an interview that aired on Sunday. "I think it'd be tough for the public to take. At a certain point, there's a breaking point." Trump did not elaborate on what he thought might happen if that point is reached. He is scheduled to be sentenced on July the 11th, 4 days before Republicans gather to formally choose their presidential nominee to face Democratic President Joe Biden in November's election. Asked what Trump supporters should do if he were jailed, Republican National Committee co-chair Lara Trump told CNN, "Well, they're gonna do what they've done from the beginning, which is remain calm and protest at the ballot box on November the 5th. There's nothing to do other than make your voices heard loud and clear and speak out against this." Trump has used his conviction to step up his fundraising efforts, but has not otherwise sought to mobilize his supporters. In contrast to his comments protesting his 2020 loss to Biden, which were followed by an attack by his supporters on the U.S. Capitol on January 6, 2021, the RNC and the Trump campaign raised $70 million in the 48 hours after the verdict, Lara Trump said, a figure that Reuters was not able to independently verify. Asked how much would be used to pay legal fees versus running the campaign, she declined to say. At least one Democratic lawmaker expressed concern on Sunday about the potential for Trump's supporters to respond violently to his conviction. His base listens to him. They don't listen to Lara Trump. And this is another dangerous appeal to violence, Democratic U.S. Representative Adam Schiff told CNN. But U.S. House Speaker Mike Johnson, a Trump ally, said any response must be lawful. "We are the rule of law party. Chaos is not a conservative value. We have to fight back and we will with everything in our arsenal, but we do that with